Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can try Windows 11 in a browser. You don't need to install it or set up anything. So just going to open a browser, and all you need to do is go to the URL section, and here you would like to type win11.blue edge, as simple as that, of course, .me. Hit the enter button, and this will basically take you into this website. This is a free, safe, web-based Windows 11 simulator made for testing and fun. So you can also hit the F11 on your keyboard as an example, which will make the website in basically a full screen. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to read and access and even try all the things on Windows 11 without even downloading it or something like that. You can basically start using it. Once the page loads, you'll see Windows 11 desktop interface, as you can see here. You'll be able to start or opening the start menu, browse the settings, an example, if you want to, maybe use the built-in applications like the Notepad, Edge, and etc. You can also explore like some features. This simulator includes like the start menu, the search as well, as you can see in here. They have the drag and drop windows, an example, so you can drag and drop things around. You can use like the file explorer, mockup, and also it has some basic apps for testing layouts and UI. It's not a real operating system. It's just a simulation for educational or demo purposes. So what can you do? You can't, of course, install apps or run actual software, and you can't use real internet browsing. It's not connected to a real Microsoft account. What you can do, just try things around and see if it's like a good fit operating system for you, and you'll be able to start to use it. Of course, as bonus, there are other simulators that you can use. There's the onworks.net. It runs Linux and Windows desktop online, and there's the copy.sh. You can try older OS like the Windows 98 or Linux, etc. in a browser as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.